Okay guys, welcome back. On today's video, I'm just showing you my 2003 Dodge Ram 1500. This is a 5.7 Hemi with two-wheel drive. I was just wanting to show you guys that I've got my rough country leveling kit installed on it and kind of what that looks like. I really enjoyed the leveling kit. I think it raised it about 2 inches on the dot, which it was a 2-inch leveling kit. I saw a lot of people complaining about this leveling kit online on a few videos and just talking about how horrible the quality was on rough country and about how the ride on it was just terrible. And I gotta say I disagree with them about 70%, because overall I love how this looks. The quality of the welds on the spacers were actually really good and nice thick metal. The only complaint is it does ride a little rough, but it's not horrible. You can definitely live with it. When I bought this truck, it originally had 4 tires that none of them were the same size. So I've got some mud trains all the way around on it. It also originally had the back bumper had a huge dent in it where someone had hit like a light pole or something along those lines. And got the new bumper on it, and it's, like I said, got mud trains. This thing actually gets along pretty well. It's a big long wheelbase on it. And I also bought it, originally didn't have heat or air conditioning in it, and since then I got the AC fixed. It had a bad ignition in it, and let's see, what else have I had done to it? Whenever I had the rough country leveling kit, I also had new shocks put on it as well that were a little longer. That way hopefully it would have a little bit more room to travel if it needed it. Let's see. Oh, also I knocked out the fog light one time when we was playing around doing some off-roading, and I'll insert that in here. Let's see. What else have I done to it? But, oh, it also had all these like chrome fender flares all on both ends, and got that removed on it. And anyways, I was just wanting to take a video of it. I'm feeling pretty proud of the truck, just thinking about where it came from to what it looks like now. You know, before it didn't really look that great, but I don't know. I think it looks pretty good. Now, hopefully here in the near future, I'm gonna try and start kind of preparing this for overlanding shortly. I've been looking at bull bars and light bars and different stuff like that. Mechanically, the truck runs great, sounds great. There really isn't anything I'd like to do different to the truck except have a backup motor. But, you know. If I were to give this rough country leveling kit a rating, like 1 to 10, I would definitely give this kit a 8 out of 10. And the only reason I give it 8 is because the only thing I don't like about it is it does ride a little rough, but definitely doable. Daily drive this. I drive it for 3 hours one way on a pretty regular basis. So, but anyways, thanks for watching. If you don't mind, go ahead and click the like and subscribe button, and have a great day.